What's the difference between probiotics and prebiotics?
That's a great question. I'm so glad you asked it. Here's what most people don't know. You have over 100 trillion bacteria living inside of your gut. More than your cells. They run the show. They're in there vibing. Oh yeah, bacteria, bacteria. What do these bacteria do?
Basically, it helps you digest your food, create vitamins, and regulate your hormones.
They literally send messages to your brain through something called the gut-brain axis.
So think about it this way. Your gut and your brain are friends, and they're texting each other. They kind of like each other. When your gut is healthy, it's sending your brain messages of love, focus, energy, and peace. But when your gut is inflamed and out of balance, it's sending messages of brain fog, fatigue, and stress to your brain.
The question is, if your gut runs the show, who's actually in there running things? Probiotics and prebiotics. What are probiotics? They're the good guys. They're the good bacteria inside your gut, the soldiers.
They're actively working 24/7, keeping the bad bacteria in check. But here's the thing. They're sensitive, like me, when this knucklehead does some things that are not that nice, right?
I'm nice, guys. I'm
He
nice.
is.
Probiotics can get wiped out by alcohol, sugar, stress, and even lack of sleep. If your gut feels bloated, inflamed, and off, that's usually a sign your army's losing the war. Your soldiers, the probiotics, they're getting beat up, man.
That's why foods like kefir, Greek yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi are good for your gut. They help you rebuild your defense.
If you don't eat those regularly, you can get some probiotic supplements. But don't go to the gas station for that cheap stuff, man. You can have the best army in the world, but if you don't feed them, if you don't feed it, they'll die. This is where the prebiotics come in. Probiotics are the soldiers and prebiotics is the fuel. Prebiotics feed the probiotics to keep fighting. So they work together.
Prebiotics are basically fibers that your body can digest. And we find those in foods like bananas, apples, asparagus, oats, onions, garlic, all those foods that your grandma told you to eat.
So again, prebiotics and probiotics work together. Prebiotics help feed the good bacteria, which are probiotics. They help the good bacteria multiply and then crowd out the bad bacteria.
Let me paint a picture here. If you wake up tired and by noon you're crashing, it's not normal. That's basically your gut sending signals that something's not okay.
Your gut affects your hormones like serotonin, testosterone, and dopamine. The very hormones that control your energy, your confidence, and your motivation. So when your gut's off, your whole entire system is running on low power mode. Caffeine can't fix this. Drinking caffeine when your gut's so messed up, it's like you're pouring fuel into a broken engine. It's temporary fix, but then you're gonna crash later.
And I'm sure you've heard people saying that your gut is like the second brain. And it really is. Depending on the things that you're eating, it'll send different signals to your brain, like we mentioned, either peace or stress.
Here's what we tell our clients. We're telling you, you don't need some detox, some crazy diet, cut out all your favorite foods. You just gotta fix your gut. In order to fix your gut, you gotta feed it the proper things. You gotta get some probiotics and some prebiotics into your system so you can increase your energy, you can increase your focus, and feel and operate at your freaking best.
And not just from supplements, like actually getting your prebiotics and probiotics from foods, from your diet, not just going to the pharmacy and thinking that it can help the root of the problem.
You have to understand nutrition, understand how to fuel your body properly and not rely on a quick fix.
Supplements are supplementary to your diet, not your diet.
If you're struggling with bloating, brain fog, low energy, comment below, fill out our application, and we're going to come up with a plan designed specifically for you to feel and operate at your best. Make sure you like this video, comment below, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, Coach Tata _
Louisa Tata Fit.
Thank you guys for watching. God bless you and peace.